It's that time again. Go back into redstone. Okay, so today we are going to be going over, well, what's in front of me. A piston. And in my last tutorial, I know it's been about like a week or so. I'm sorry guys, it's just school stuff. And other stuff that's happened. But anyway, pistons. So pistons. You may be asking yourself, what is a piston? Well, I will show you. Also, don't mind my skin, please. Don't attack me. A piston is a block that is able to, well, push blocks. Now, there are two types of piston. The sticky piston and, well, just the piston. Sticky pistons are able to not only push, but retract blocks, unless it's a zero tick, which zero ticks are a little hard to explain. Okay. So, this is a comparison of the two pistons. I'm pretty sure the one on the left is a sticky piston and the one on the right is a normal piston. But if I'm wrong, which I probably am, because usually I forget, we'll be able to find out. This one was the sticky piston, because it stuck to the block and pulled it back, as however this one only pushes. Now, we got some, don't mind that, we got some power sources over here. We already went over those in an episode a few days ago. As you can see, we're in the same world because I went over the redstone lamp and repeaters and stuff. So, there are many ways to power a piston with redstone powering, like, with redstone power sources. That's usually you would want to use this, though. And the constant ones just permanently keep them extended. Now, this is a semi-constant, meaning I can flick it off and on. I'm pretty sure that's what it would be called. Also, this is a failed flush door, so I just stuck with that. Okay. So pistons are pushing and pulling, right? There are many things you can do with them, but they do have a block limit. So say, also this is a slime block, by the way. Slime blocks and honey blocks act the same way, except when they're connected like this, they don't connect to each other. We'll talk about that soon. They can only push and pull 12 blocks. As you can see, it won't go on anymore, even if it's just one block. Now, say if I put another few of these slime blocks, it'll definitely not pull nor push. Unless, if I can line this up, unless there is, unless there are two pistons, right? Oh, wait, no, that would be vertical. Oops. I thought. Oop. Oh, it's not even powering the... Wait, what? Okay, I think I... Okay, never mind. We won't talk about that right now because apparently I forgot a lot of stuff already. You know, last video I did say I've been playing this for a few years. That is not a lie. I've played it since 1.7, Legacy Edition at least, for Xbox 360. And I have forgot how to do some redstone. So part of the series is me going over redstone with you guys and learning some redstone along. Now, also, another thing I want to go over is note blocks, which, I mean, let me set up something. You've heard of, like, note block songs, I'm assuming. Oop. Which, I mean, it plays a sound. Oh, that was a lag. It plays a sound. It's very useful for some things. But, I mean, we started off a video in here, right? Close it. I broke it. Oh well. We can make anything with pistons. For example, say an observer, which observes a block, which is actually very useful, and you can make a little redstone clock, which I'll go over those some more in a few. Also, this is what happens with a zero tick. This is a zero tick right now. You can't even really break it, it's going too fast. Now, say if this were an actual block, then it'll push and pull it, but it'll stop and for one of the ticks. Please stop, please, thank you. Okay, so that's that. I mean, oh yeah, clocks. A clock is, well, a clock, but you would think, in a way. In a way it is a clock, it's just different. Redstone clocks, you can interchange to a certain output. See, now it's a clock. So every 16 ticks, I'm pretty sure 16, it'll play this note block. Or, if you want it to, push this piston. Which can be sort of cool in the way I'm about to use it. No. Wait, you can't place a block right there? Okay. See, now it's doing something sort of strange. I've figured this out a while ago in Bedrock Edition. I just want to see if that works in this version. Although it can get annoying. Well, I'll be ending off the video Here, if you guys want to see more, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment on this video.